McLean County in central Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stanford, or 14 miles west of Bloomington, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bloomington and Carlock around 11 p.m. Normal, Hudson and Towan around 11:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Lexington and Chenoa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 17. Interstate 55 between mile markers 151 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 112 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's